Hello, I'm Terry Hartley with Rustic Barn Cards, and today my quick tip is going to be about how to use the Wink of Stella brush. When I first ordered mine, I was kind of intimidated by it. It sat in the package for a while, and even after I opened it, I still was a little leery, wasn't quite sure how to use it. So when you receive yours, go ahead and take it out of the package, and you'll just pull this cap off, and you have a brush, and then it will tell you that you need to take this, there's a little black rubber, so you just go ahead and take this top off, this brush off, and this is black, but this stays on. This is part of your Wink of Stella brush, but right around here there will be a little rubber, rubber liner, tube, whatever you call it. And that is what you'll take off and discard. And I've already done that. So then once you take that little piece off, then take your brush and you can just twist it back on. Put your cap on. And before you use it, you'll want to shake it up. Can you hear that? Okay. And then to use it, pull the cap off, and if you need to, right here it says push, that's where you'll put your fingers so you can squeeze the glimmer. So this gives you a touch of glimmer, okay, without the mess. So let me bring in some trees to show you what I mean. Now, you do not want to use this like a paintbrush, so you're not going to be rolling it on. You want to tap or dab. So I'm going to push to draw the ink this way towards the brush, and then I'm going to dab. And up here I'm just going to show you that I don't know, to show you that, see, there's I'm just putting that so you can see the glimmer. And I don't know if you can see it on the tree. So you just want to tap and dab. And I don't know if you can see in the camera, but the trees look like snow. There's snow on the trees. And then this one doesn't have any glimmer. So let me bring in this cute little gnome. So it's the last day you can order, $50 before shipping and handling, and you will receive a $5 coupon code that you can start using tomorrow. Because tomorrow, the mini catalog goes on sale tomorrow. And this little gnome is from the mini catalog. So I want to add some shimmer on his beard. So again, I'm just tapping it, not rolling it. And I hope you can see the glimmer on his beard. Now, when your Wink of Stella shine glimmer is all gone, do not throw it away, because there still will be some down here, and this is what you'll do. So I think I can kind of shine mine on the light, and I have glimmer from here all the way down here. So I could, but I still have plenty, and I've used this a long time. But what you'll do is take the brush off. This is when it's completely empty, okay? And you think I should throw it away, but don't throw it away. And then you'll go ahead and take case knife or pliers, and you're going to raise this up. I call this a butter knife, but my mother always tells me it's not a butter knife, it is a case knife. So I already loosened it a little bit using that knife. So now we're talking about only when it's completely empty. You'll pull this out. So mine still has almost half left. But let's say that it was empty and I couldn't get any more glimmer. Then what you do, you're going to take rubbing alcohol. But I would suggest use rubbing alcohol less than 70%. 70% is pretty strong for this. And right now that might be the best, easiest to find anyway. So you want less than 70%, and you're going to pour this into your tube. Do not go clear to the top because you need to have room to put this little brush back in. So I would suggest maybe put the rubbing alcohol at the bottom, like on the H, and that will give you room then to put this back in and push it down here a little snap, and then put your brush back on. And then of course you would shake it up, and you'll find that you still have some glimmer left after you thought that your Wink of Stella brush was empty. So that is how you use your Wink of Stella brush, and also how you can make it last a little bit longer, when it has depleted, but it will last a long time, so don't worry about that. So remember, today you can still order from the annual catalog. And of course, you can order from this clear through next year. But you can order today, and for every $50 before shipping and handling, earn a $5 coupon. And tomorrow, August 4th, 2020, is when our mini catalog goes on sale. Now, if you're a customer of mine and you have not received your holiday catalog, please reach out to me. And if you do not have a catalog and you would like to receive a catalog, reach out to me and I will be glad to send you one. Thank you for watching this Quick Tip Monday. Check back Thursday when I will share a card that I have created. Have a great day.